Hi everyone, I'm Raspin from the Industrial Switch Product Division. Since the smart grid became popular in each country, you may hear the HSR-PRP, GOOS, and the MMS technical term, but do not know what it is and how it works. Well, these are all related to the IEC 61850. Today, I will show the IEC 61850 network and our automatic module switch for you. IEC 61850 is a substation automation standard that defines the communication protocol between the different equipment such as the protection, control, and the measurement equipment, as well as the IED. Why did the IEC 61850 become so successful? There are three benefits. The first one, unified communication, avoid the proprietary protocol. The second, the reduced cost, example, wiring and engineering times. The third, improve the setup and maintenance process. To know each role in the substation, we can see the architecture. The IEC 61850 standard defines three levels. The first one is the station level, and it contains the station, SCADA, and HMI. Is used to control and monitor the station. The second level is the base level, where we have to ID, and the ID means the new name of the relay to reflect the capability to take a decision based on the logical and the information collected from the process level device. The last one is a process level, where we have a switch gear like a circuit breaker and the switch, and the instrument device like a current transformer and the voltage transformer. Now we are going to talk about the communication protocol. The transmission protocol used to handle aspect types of the data transfer are one of the main aspects of the IEC 61850 standard. The abstract data model defined in IEC 61850 can be mapped to the number of the protocols, including the MMS, GOOS, and SMB. This protocol can run over TCP/IP networks to ensure the faster response time. MMS is used to the communication between the IED and the SCADA system for application, communication, and monitor data exchange. GOOS is used to send a message regarding the status between the IED. SME protocol is related to the power line, current, and the voltage measurement. The redundancy is also important in the substation. To guarantee the delivery of the information, the IEC 61850 defines the two schemes of the redundancy, HSR and PRP. Both HSR and PRP are zero packet loss redundancy protocol. HSR is a ring redundancy protocol. It has to be a ring topology, and it can be a zero packet loss by duplicate the pairs and also duplicate the packet. PRP is based in the use of two the network to which nodes are connected. So frames are sent in the parallel using the two networks ensure the secure communication against the one fail in the network. Now we are showing an example of the IEC 61850 network. Here is a typical power automation application. Are you familiar with it? I think it's yes, because it follows the IEC 61850 architecture. From this application, we can find several things. The first one, the switch must be IEC 61850 certified to meet the industrial standard. The second, the switch is installed in the base level to connect different IED by fiber or copper cable. The third, the switch in the ring topology to ensure the redundancy. Today, I would like to introduce our new module switch, AKey8528. AKey8528 is a standard 90-inch Ragamon Layer 3 modular management switch, which is supported up to the 24 gigaport and the 4-10G uplink solution. With the modular design, user can choose a different Ethernet module like a copper or SLP, and the AC or DC power module. Fulfill the various kinds of substation scenarios like a copper IED or fiber IED. With the high-performance hardware, AKey8528 is certified with different industrial standards like IEC 61850-3 and EN 50121 to fit a different industrial application. For substation, AK8528 supports not only HSRP module to fulfill the little packet loss application, but also IEC6-850 QoS to give the good protocol high quality in the network. AK8528 is also TSN enabled for future-proof. AK8528 is the best choice when designing the IEC61850 network. Hey, you made it to the end of this video. Looking forward to meeting you next time in the Advantech IoT Academy. Goodbye.